Welcome to How to Solve. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT without phone number. So if you are struggling to create an account on ChatGPT because you don't have a phone number or you have other reasons, then this video is for you. First step is to go to your phone's browser and then search for ChatGPT. And then once you're here, tap on Try ChatGPT and then tap on Sign Up. Here you will have to provide your email address, or you can also choose to continue with your Google account. And once done, you will have to fill up some personal information. And then here you will have to verify your phone number by providing it. Now if you don't have a phone number, don't worry because you can use a free phone number by downloading on your app store. So you will just have to type in free number, and here as you can see there are multiple applications that offer a free number for SMS or private use, which you can also use to create an account for any service or application. Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.